Listen carefully. You don't win fights by throwing punches. You win them by controlling the mind of the person in front of you. Today, I'll show you 7 psychological techniques used by negotiators, bodyguards, and street-smart survivors that allow you to win a nigh confrontation without raising a single hand. If you master these, nobody will intimidate you again. Ever. First, the art of the reframe. Instead of reacting to their anger, you change the entire context of the conversation. Second, strategic empathy. You understand their feelings, not to agree, but to predict their next move. Third, the power of silence. When they expect a reaction, you give them nothing, forcing them to fill the void and reveal their hand. Fourth is mirroring. Subtly copying their body language to build subconscious rapport, making you less of a threat. This is the power nobody teaches, but everybody respects. You know, most people think winning a fight is all about who can punch the hardest, but they're missing the point. Every single fight, before it ever gets physical, starts right here, in the mind. Think about it. An aggressive person doesn't look for the biggest, strongest person in the room. No, they look for the one they think will break easily. They're looking for weakness. And today, you're going to learn how to make sure that person is never, ever you. The techniques I'm about to show you aren't about throwing punches or being violent. They're about something much more powerful: control, presence, confidence, and psychology. Each one of these is proven to de-escalate tension, keep you safe, and project an image of unshakable strength. You'll learn how to own your space and command respect without ever raising your voice. Stick around, and let's unlock that inner strength together. Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a powerful psychological trick that can completely change how you handle difficult people. It's called the silent dominance technique. Picture this. Someone's trying to provoke you, get under your skin, maybe even start a fight. Your first instinct is to fire back, right? Well, that's exactly what they expect. The moment you react emotionally, you've already lost. So, here's what you do instead. Stay completely calm. Look them directly in the eye with a steady, unwavering gaze. Breathe slowly and deeply, and most importantly, say absolutely nothing. This silence is your secret weapon. It radiates confidence and sends a clear message. Your games don't work on me. Most people's brains just short-circuit when their attempt to intimidate you fails. They go from attack mode straight to confusion, and just like that, the tension dissolves. You've won without saying a single word. Try it out. It's a game changer. Did you know there's a psychological switch inside every single one of us? And that switch is our own name. Don't think about it. If someone is shouting at you, getting aggressive, or just completely losing their cool, try this simple trick. Say their name calmly. Something like, John, slow down, or Sarah, please listen. The moment they hear their name, something amazing happens. Their brain instantly shifts from pure aggression to attention. It's like flipping a switch that interrupts that emotional storm and forces their logical brain to come back online. This technique is so powerful that even crisis negotiators use it because it works instantly. You're not challenging them, you're grounding them. And when you ground someone who's being aggressive, they're no longer an opponent. They're just a person you can talk to. Try it next time you need to take control of a tense situation. Did you know your body language can completely change how people treat you? It's true. There's a simple formula to project calm authority and own your space without coming off as aggressive. Try this. Stand up straight, but keep your shoulders relaxed. Hold your chin level, not too high, not too low. Plant your feet firmly on the ground, nice and stable. And make sure your hands are relaxed, no clenched fists. Avoid any sudden, jerky movements. This combination sends a clear message: I'm confident and I'm not afraid. Aggressive people thrive on sensing fear in others. When you don't give them that, their power just evaporates. But here's a crucial tip. Whatever you do, don't puff out your chest or lean into their space. That crosses a line from dominance into a threat, and threats can invite conflict. What you're aiming for is calm authority, not aggression. That's how you truly win. Here's a psychological trick that's so powerful, it almost feels unfair. It's called the agreement disarm. Next time someone tries to provoke you or start an argument, instead of getting defensive or fighting back, try this. Look them in the eye and calmly say, I understand what you're saying, or I get your point. Now, you're not agreeing with them or saying they're right. You're simply acknowledging their feeling. This is a game changer. Most people expect resistance when they're angry. When you give them understanding instead, it completely throws them off. Their aggression just loses all its momentum. The moment you break that expectation, their anger starts to fade, and logic begins to return. The tension dissolves, and the fight is over before it even starts. It's a simple way to de-escalate conflict and keep your peace. Try it out and see the magic for yourself. Ever found yourself in a tense situation and wished you knew the secret to walking away unscathed? Here are 3 powerful psychological tricks to win any confrontation without even throwing a punch. First, redirect their energy. Instead of a you versus me battle, shift the focus to the environment. Say something like, "This isn't the right place for this," or "People are watching. Let's not make a scene." This makes them think about consequences, not fighting. Second, the controlled walkaway. This isn't about running away scared, it's about choosing to leave. Keep your head up, walk at a normal pace, and don't look back. It shows you're in control and they aren't worth your energy. Finally, the ultimate technique, unshakable presence. When you're genuinely calm and centered, nothing can rattle you. People sense this deep confidence, and it deters them from even starting a fight. True strength isn't about fighting. It's about having the power to prevent the fight from ever happening. Ever been in a situation where things got heated, and you wished you knew how to handle it without making it worse? What if I told you the best way to win a fight is to end it before it even begins? This isn't about being scared. It's about being smart. Anyone can get angry and throw a punch, but true power lies in controlling a situation with your mind, not your fists. This is how you become the strongest, most respected person in any room quietly and without a single act of violence. So, next time someone tries to provoke you, try this. Hold a silent, dominant presence. Use their name to get their attention. Stand tall and control your posture. Acknowledge what they're saying, but don't get pulled into an argument. Then, calmly redirect the energy and, if you need to, walk away with your power intact. Stay unshakable. Strength isn't in your muscles, it's in your mind. And now you know how to use it. Thanks for watching.